Hello friends, welcome to Learning Planet. Today we are going to learn about the new philosopher that is Immanuel Kant. Immanuel Kant was a German philosopher. He was born in 1724 in the Baltic city of Königsberg, which at that time was the part of Prussia and now belongs to Russia. He is especially known for his work in ethics, aesthetics, and epistemology. Immanuel Kant was interested in political freedom, individual autonomy, and peace. Kant's moral philosophy. Kant's moral philosophy is given in Critique of Practical Reason. Kant focuses on motives of inaction. He says that a person's motive can truly define the morality of an action. According to Kant, if a person has sense of duty, then his actions are moral. But if there is popularity and compassion, then it is immoral action. Rationalism and imperialism. According to a rationalist person, reason is most important than experience. But according to imperialists, experience is most important and knowledge can be gained through experience. Kant was inspired by both rationalist and imperialist, so he published paper dealing with both of them. Critique of Pure Reason. One of the most important work on Western idea and his great work was publishing Critique of Pure Reason. In Critique of Pure Reason, Kant explored about understanding the world. His works thought about the nature of reality, about phenomena and noumena. Phenomena, the things as they appear to us, and noumena, the things that they are actually in themselves. Critique of Judgement. Critique of Judgement is based on aesthetic, which examines the nature of beauty as well as the purpose of design in nature. He said, "We can have universal aspects rather than judgment of beauty." Maxim. Maxim expresses a person's general behavior, such as helping others and not lying. Now, coming to categorical imperatives. Kant also referred categorical imperative as universal moral law. He says, "Act only according to that maxim by which you can at the same time will that it should become a universal law." By this, what does Kant actually means? Kant focuses on categorical imperatives rather than on hypothetical imperative. Categorical imperatives are unconditional. They are irrespective of feelings and personal desires, whereas hypothetical imperative works on conditions. Kant was the supporter of categorical imperative because it follows the rule of must, which means a work is must to be done. It has a sense of duty. Individual autonomy. Kant believed that individuals had right to self-governance. They can make their own decisions and have their own goals. This was all about Kant's philosophy. Hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe.